Meeting with my director. I haven't quite set a date for the press conference yet. It's for a major product launch, so. Morning, Holly.
Good morning, James. So we have a bunch of factors to consider before we set a date and 45 minutes before we see the VP.
I know it's kind of a crunch, so I thought we'd use the collaboration system from SMART.
We don't have these on our floor. Did you just get this installed?
They're in all the fourth floor rooms now. So, let's look at some of the trade shows we could align with.
So, how does this work?
It's an interactive whiteboard that works without a computer, or you can plug in your laptop and get all your files. I had no idea Holly would be so interested in the technology. I've only been using the system for about a week. It's a good thing it's easy. I'm not exactly a techno whiz.
So, why don't we have this hooked up to its own computer?
IT explained it. Something to do with maintenance and security. Lower maintenance, lower cost, and lower security risk. That's why there's no in-room computer. So we need to make sure the date fits well with other campaigns and events.
Right. So, I'll make a list of the pros and cons. How do I get back to the whiteboard?
It's right there.
I didn't mean to put James on the spot with all of my questions, but he does seem to be one of those techno-whiz guys. Anyway, I decided I should sit back and let him take the lead.
So at this point, things are going pretty well. Really well, actually. We did some research online and took some screen captures and added them to the presentation. Holly had her pros and cons list, and I gave Holly a little support on the new technology.
Do I have to use this to erase, or can I just go like this?
Oh, or just knows you're erasing.
Right. Okay, good. I'd like to run this. Oh, look at that. I'd like to run this date by Andrew. He's in the London office this week. I'll just get him on the phone and we can email him the time.
Actually, we can get him hooked in with the Smart Bridget conferencing software so he can see our screen. Funny story. Holly won't remember this, but during one of our quarterly meetings, I had to call in from Chicago. And I actually said, I wish there was a way we could share our desktops somehow. So Andrew, you feel the London show is the best choice then?
This is our key demographic for sure. And it does generate the best leads.
The funny thing is, James suggested this a while ago. We were revising a presentation and making a list of pros and cons, and James wanted to help from Chicago. But what can you do when you can't even see the document?
Okay, I'll save all this to my USB key for the meeting.
Okay.
And would you like me to send you a copy via email, Holly?
Oh, that'd be great if you could. Great. You know, we should probably erase all this before
Actually,
we go.
It's okay, Holly. We can just reset the room. All right, it's all clear for the next team.
Good job, James. See you in there.
Did the meeting with the VP go well? Yeah, I think so.
He asked if our plan would work for the entire product line.
We said maybe.
We said we'd get back to him right after we get smart boards on whiteboard.